Hi, this screencast is about how to use two apps together and get as much as possible from both of it. Some time ago, one of our users asked us he was using Focus app to block certain websites and remove the applications while he is focusing. He was happy about the app, however, he will need the PomoDone app to keep the time information relevant about tasks, about time of the day, to create reports and invoice. So he asked, can we work together? Can we use the benefits of both? Actually, we can. The Focus app, you can read it on the heyfocus.com, can block certain websites and remove some apps. We decided to keep it as it is and just make the application work together. Let's go to the PomoDone app settings section, go to Advanced tab and scroll down to the AppleScript section and use these simple snippets. This one will turn on Focus app focus mode. When timer starts, do open focus. Once the timer is over, do show script and focus. On pause and focus, on resume, focus. Let's give it a try now. I've added one app called Stocks, which should be removed as soon as we start our timer. Let's go and do some data analysis. As you can see, Focus switched the mode to focus mode. It disabled our YouTube, our Twitter and Pinterest. Stocks app, you even cannot launch it because Stocks by blocked by Focus because it's a distracting app. As soon as we stop our timer, Focus app disabled its focus mode. And now our Pinterest is back, on Twitter is back, our YouTube is back. Even if we'll try to launch the Focus app, here it is. That's it. Thanks for your attention, guys. You can read more about the Focus app on the Hey Focus, and you can do many different things using this combination and using the PomoDone app, AppleScript, and Shell script integration. Thank you, and have a great day.